I'm going to work in this industry. So it's either going to be with your company or somebody else's. And that's the only thing I distinctly remember from that interview. So I think it was just, there was a clear intellectual curiosity and eagerness to be doing that specific thing. So
was the controller, did she like that answer?
She told me she did. So, I mean, she could be bold. So
you didn't BS. Well, you're just like, look, this is what I'm going to do.
Look, the big thing, I think, particularly when you get to a hedge fund or you're an investor, this is what I see investing in people or from other successful investors. The number one defining characteristic is a genuine interest. They would do it. I don't want to say no matter the pay, but it's because I love doing it. There's an intellectual stimulation, a curiosity.
Yep.
That's what's innate with a really good investor. It's not about comp or, I mean, I'm not saying it's not about comp or money, but that's I think
scoreboard. That's just a scoreboard, but it's
and I think that's ultimately what drives people, right? Is like that intellectual desire to go find and research interesting or whatever, opportunities.